Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be teaching you guys how to do is how to extract or rather delete your background from your photos in the Inshot photo editing software for your mobile phone. Now, when you actually enter the application, you will be greeted by this screen. Once you're in this screen, you will see all these options, mainly the three ones in the middle of the screen: the video option, the photo option, and the collage option. What you want to do is, of course, enter your photo editing option and just click on the one in the middle and you'll be taken to this screen. Let's say if I want to edit this photo of my lock screen, when you're here, what you need to do is then go to the cutout option. You can do anything you want from these options, but we want to actually remove the background, and when we click on the cutout option, you will be greeted by this screen. As you can see, it automatically detects any people in the picture and it cuts around them. However, you can edit it however you want. If you click on the cross option or the crossed out circle, you will get this screen, which is just the unedited photo. Or you can go to this and you can choose if you want an outline or something of the sort. I don't, so let's just do that. And if you want to delete any other aspects of the photo, you click on the eraser button. Here you can choose the color, or rather the blur effect of your eraser. Then you can choose the thickness or the width, the area you want to delete, and you can also use the brush if you want to actually brush away, or rather choose what you want to keep in the photo. And if you want to erase, just click on the erase button and you can erase that right back. Once you erase it, it will be gone, and if you click on the check mark, your changes will be saved. Once they're saved, click on the check mark again, and to save this photo, you just click on the save button. I don't, so let's just go to the discard real quick and we will be going back to the title screen. This is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.